way. Happy friends all wave hello as we laugh and play. Ride along, come and sing with me. Ride along, happy as can be. The little wheels go round and round, turning all the way. Round and round they spin so fast on this sunny day. Ride along, come and sing with me. Ride along, happy as can be. Beep, 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 the horn says hi. Everyone waves back. Birds and ducks all smile and sing along the little track. Swish, 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 the wipers dance. Raindrops fall so light. Then a rainbow fills the sky. Oh, what a lovely sight. Ride along, come and sing with me. Ride along, happy as can be. Bink, blink, bink, the little light, shining nice and bright. Sparkly fireflies join the fun, twinkling in the light. Open wide the little doors, friends come hopping in. Wave hello and find a seat, let the fun begin. Clap your hands and sing along, everybody smile. Laugh together, clap together, let's ride for a while. Over the little wooden bridge, splashing river below. Wave to fish and wave to ducks, watch the water flow. Colorful balloons float so high, floating in the sky. Butterflies dance all around as the bus rolls by. Hello cows and fluffy sheep, horse and chickens too. Every friendly farm animal smiles and waves at you. Now the sun is going down, golden skies above. The little bus says bye-bye now, filled with songs and love. Ride along, come and sing with me. Ride along, best friends we will be. Bye-bye, little bus. See you on our next adventure.